Buckle up, because today we're diving into some of the craziest close calls and jaw-dropping crashes caught on camera. Some of these are so unbelievable you'll have to see them twice. This is just wrong in so many ways. She didn't even bother to see if she could cut across. That was a Hollywood-level stunt. Was he on his phone? Or just on a different planet? The tree just shrugged the car off like it was nothing. Or some people just have no common sense. Some people just have no common eyes on the road? Nah. I'm tired of seeing people not check both ways. I'm guessing that's our first phone victim of the day. What? How does this even happen? I don't even know what their game plan was. Already the second phone victim of the day, shaking my head. This guy drives like it's a video game. He was impatient then, and now has to wait even longer. Another person who drives incredibly reckless. He drives like he's allergic to brakes. Take a turn too quickly and you'll end up like this guy. Is this road rage from a person in a tractor? A quick little 360 I like. This ain't a road, it's a battle royale. Was he even looking at the road? Who would even be at fault here? Seems like they both are trying to do the same thing. And that's how you speed run an accident. The guy on the scooter is just clueless to the world around him. That's a quick way to blow your tire off the rim. At least he knew he messed up as soon as he did it. Will people ever stop changing 2 lanes at once? That was inches from disaster. This is an abomination of a clip. Just your average Mustang moment. Driving like the road belongs to him. How did this even start? It looks like the pedal may be stuck. Some people just shouldn't have a license. Unfortunate hydroplane, just not much that can be done to stop that. This is why you shouldn't drive recklessly on the highway. Another impatient person who got what they deserved. That's one way to make sure you get a parking spot. That was some Matrix-level dodging. Bro ended up as some collateral damage. They going to need a tow truck for the tow truck. That's why we can't have nice things. This is why defensive driving matters. I did not see that coming at all. Why is everyone always in a rush? Dude was just minding his own business when he took some back shots. The margin for error was non-existent. The light was green for so long, I'm guessing they were on their phone. When trying to run from the police almost ends your life. Please stop using your phone while driving. This has got to be the most cursed road ever. Did some order a truck in the middle of the night. This person knew what was coming. Unfortunately, the other car probably couldn't see them. The brakes on this car are unreal. There is no way that this could have ended well for anyone. All think was the biggest idiot of the day. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.